Nalala nyo yung sa People's Initiative. Kung hinayaan ko na lang magdiskusyon kami sa plenaryo, wala kami consensus. Hindi nyo nakita yung front page natin na litrato, hawak-hawak namin yung 24 signatures on the resolution expressly going against that fake People's Initiative, di ba? I had to get that through consensus, through consultation. So that's my style. And when we discussed many measures, when we discussed Create More, when we discussed all the very important bills, pati Maharlika, we had to have consensus building and consultation. May debate pa rin sa floor. Hindi naman mawawala yung debate sa floor. Pero at least, ang kagandahan yan, alam nila yung issue. Diba? Minsan, nasa floor na kami, nagtitingin na kami ni Nancy Binay, sasabihin niya, ano bang direksyon ng Senado dito? Hindi ko alam. Siyempre, mayroon tayong desisyon dito sa iba't ibang or opinions dito sa iba't ibang mga issues. Pero, yan ang gusto sana namin maiba. And of course, we don't like